Today, we're going to show you how to make hummus the Silverson way. We're going to use a Silverson High Viscosity In-Line mixer to make the hummus, recirculating the product through a vessel with a stirrer scraper to maintain in-tank uniformity. First, we add some aquafaba. That's water from the chickpeas. And pre-cooked chickpeas. The in-line starts recirculating and the chickpeas are instantly pureed as they pass through the rotor-stator workhead, rapidly achieving a smooth texture. The oil is added. And then the tahini, along with garlic and lemon juice. Obviously, recipes vary widely according to taste. Interchangeable workheads allow you to obtain the desired texture. After a brief recirculation period, the hummus is complete. It's as simple as that. For smaller batches, Silverson offers a self-contained sauce plant. It's a simple and highly efficient system that will carry out the entire process in a short space of time. It's easy to operate and is designed for repeated small batches of up to around 25 gallons. That's about 100 liters. It can also be used for mayonnaise. To find out more, visit our website or contact us today.